Introduction to Google Search Ad. Hello everyone and welcome to Alive Digital e-learning's YouTube channel. I am Rohit Deoo, your digital marketing trainer. Today we will delve into the one of most powerful tool in digital marketing, that is Google Search Ad. By end of this session, you will not only grab the fundamentals of Google Search Ad but also understand how they operate. If you are new to the channel, please don't hesitate to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Before we begin, I hope you had a chance to watch my previous videos on website design and SEO. If you haven't seen them yet, I recommend checking them out first. Now, what are Google Search Ads? So let's start with the basics. Google Search Ads are paid advertisements that appears at the top of Google search results when users searches for specific keywords. These ads reasonably regular search results but includes a small label that reads AD or ad next to them. For an instance, if you search for best smartphone under 2000, on the top labeled AD are businesses that have paid for these placements. Have you ever clicked on any of these ads? You are not alone, many of us do click. These ads are designed to showcase exactly what users are looking for, which is why they are so effective. Why to use Google Search Ad? Why do businesses invest in these ads? The beauty of Google Search Ad lies in the ability to connect with the user precisely when they are searching for something very specifically. Unlike TV ads that targets a broad audience, Google Search Ad reach individual actively seeking a solution. Consider a real life example. If you own a travel agency specializing in adventure tours, wouldn't be able to ideal for your website to appear on the top someone searches for adventures tour in India. This is precisely when Google search ad enable to do connect with your potential customer already invested in your offerings. Similarly, if you search for best co-working space in Pune, there are good chance you will see ads and Alive Digital Co-working ad at the top of the search result, inviting you to visit the website for more information. But how do Google search ad work? Let's discuss how Google determines which ad to be displayed and in order to search results. Here are step-by-step overview. Keyword. The first step in creating a Google search ad is selecting a right keyword or phrases user might have entered into Google while looking for product or service. I have already uploaded a video regarding types of keyword. I hope you please go and watch it before we continue this session. Think of keyword as the foundation of your campaign. For an example, if you sell sports shoes, potential keyword could be buy running shoes online, best sports shoes, or affordable running sports shoes. Aim to choose keyword that align with user intent. Now think of a product you have recently purchased. What would you type in Google to find out that product? Please share your thoughts in the comment section. Second, add auction. Once your keywords are set, every time someone enters one of these keywords into Google, an ad auction occurs. Google evaluate two main factors to decide which ad is to be displayed in and what position. First, your bid, the amount you are willing to pay for each click on your ad. And second is ad quality or quality score. This assess how relevant and useful your ad to the searcher. Google assign a score based on the ad's relevancy to users' searches and the quality your landing page. Regarding the ad auction, if you want to learn how the paid ad gets calculated, you can subscribe for our paid course. Now, moving forward, ad rank. Google combines your bid and quality score to determine your ad rank. Even if you are not on the higher bidder, but a quality ad may still rank above the competitor's ad that is paying more. This highlights the importance of relevancy and quality. Let's take the scenario. Suppose you and a competitor both are bidding for a keyword buy sports shoes online. You bid 10 rupees per click while your ad is highly relevant, earning a quality score of 8. On other hand, your competitor bids rupees 15 but has low quality score as 5. In this case, your ad might rank higher than theirs despite you are lower bidder. So remember, always bid amount does not wins. Quality also matters. Now creating Google search ad campaign. You might wondering how to create Google search ad campaigns. In my paid course, I have provide practical demonstration to create search ad, optimize them, calculating CPC cost per click or PPC pay per click. I have created multiple search ads during this course. Now, let's discuss the components of search ad. Each ad consists of the three parts, that is headline, description and display URL. So now what is headline? So this what captures the attention. You can write up to the three headlines and Google will rotate them to determine which performs the best. Ensure your headline is clear and relevant. For example, get 50% off on running sports shoes today. Description. The section provides more detail about your offer. Highlight what makes your product or service unique. For example, shop the latest running shoes with free shipping on the order above 1000. Display URL. This link to your website. It should be clean and relevant to the user searches. For example, yourbrand.com/running shoes. Now, key takeaways. Let's quickly recap what we have covered today. First, Google search ad help businesses connect with the user actively searching for product or services. Selecting the right keywords and creating a clear, compelling ad are essential. Your bid and quality score determine your ad position in the search result. You have control over your budget and you can target your audience based on location, device, and many more. Always monitor your performance metrics. We have covered a lot today. I had loved to hear your thoughts. Please share your latest experience with Google search ad in the comment section. See you in the next session with the new topic. Before that, please like this video, share with your friends. Signing off, Rohit Dev, your digital marketing trainer. Thank you.